Ayun yung bahay namin guys, oh, from here. Yun. Yun. Okay, dito yung neighborhood namin. At papunta kami ngayon sa... Saan tayo pupunta? And the beach. Ayan. Lakad-lakad muna. 6 mag-alas 7 ng umaga. Ito. Katatapos ng bagyong Emong. Yung mga puno dito, puro bagsakan. Tapos merong bubong dito na ayun oh. Ito. Nabagsakan siya ng puno. Ayan, yung puno na yan. Ang daming sinalanta si bagyong Emong dito sa amin. Emong the second. Emong 2.0. Ayan oh. Hey, John, here, this side, yeah. Yan. Ito, na-wash out yung mga puno. Tumbahan eh. Ang laking puno nito oh. Oh. Ay, sanga lang pala siya pero ayan. Ano ngayon dito, clearing operation. Walang kuryente, walang tubig. Para kaming nasa campsite. Sana magkakuryente na. Bali 5 minutes na walk. Nandun na tayo sa aming beach area.
The view is so nice.
The view from here is really awesome. Adorable.
I can tell that the water is not that deep.
Yeah.
I can see the waves all the way there.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay, let's continue. I smell the beach.
I smell the beach. I smell the beach.
We are here.
Hi! Papa, I'm here. We're not other way. Papa, did we go to the water?
Ito guys,
I never saw
dito
it
na tayo
go
sa
this
aming
way.
beach front.
Yeah, we're going to just
Look at that view. Look at that view. Kami lang dito. Di pa siya masyadong discovered ng mga tourists. Ayan. Oh, wow.
Papa,
Yeah, you can.
Papa,
I think it's clear eh. There is a wave. Yan.
yeah, no,
Oh my gosh. Kayo na po ang humusga. Ay, ay, ay. Beautiful. Thank you, Lord.
Papa, this very deep.
Nah. Not that deep. Basta ako, pupwesto lang ako dito. Babantayan ko sila doon. No, kunit. Yeah. This is life. Thank you, Lord, for all the blessings and for all of this. And for all of that. Ayan. Ano lang po yan, seaweeds. Wala pong, hindi po ano yan. Nature, part pa rin ng nature yan. So, I don't mind. I don't mind seeing that. That means this is a, ano, it's very natural. Pero look at this. Look at this, golden sun.
Woohoo! Guys, ari kami di sa Batong Bugtong. Amuning 10 minutes walk from our house na makita man dito sa rooftop namon. Fresh pa ni nga Batong Bugtong. Wala pa ni na-discover masyado. Gamay pa lang naka-discover na last year ari man di kami nagbantay last time, nagtambay. Pero last year busy, subong busy man pero wala akong kapuli sa Iloilo. And then, sad to say today, nabalaan ko ako nga pakaisa na si Bobet died yesterday, cardiac arrest sa China. Condolence for the family, very close cousin ko pero hindi ko kapuli kay walay budget. But anyways, Bobet will understand anyway. I talked to my cousin na. So, yes. Pag ang isa ko cousin man, namatay man. First cousin ko. Para silang first cousin ko. Dua sila kakasin ko napatay this year. August. Anyways. Life needs to go on. 2 weeks left na lang kami. Sa 29 flyback na kami sa Holland. So, Batong Go!